Hello. How are you?
Hi, have a seat, Daniel. I'm good. What about you?
Yes, you're right. I need your help.
Yes, tell me how I can help you. I'd love to do so.
What advice would you give about teaching English?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help you learn English. Learning a new language can be an exciting journey. Where would you like to start? Do you have any specific goals or areas of focus in mind? Language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, and Memories are great for learning English on the go and language exchange. Websites like Tandem and HelloTalk allow you to connect with native English speakers who are learning your native language, so you can practice together. Through language exchange, books and textbooks, there are countless English language textbooks available both online and in print, covering grammar, vocabulary, reading, writing, and speaking skills, language schools, and institutes. If you prefer in-person learning, you can enroll in language courses at local language schools or institutes. Remember, consistency and practice are key to language learning success. Find the resources that work best for your learning style and stick with them.
Sir, as you know, I'm a student. And in other states, the language barrier is the first difficult one I can face. I want to learn English from you so that I can easily participate in every activity here.
Yes, I will help you, Adichua. Let's start with some basics. First, we'll have an hour-long session daily in which we'll practice conversation, so you can get a grip on accent and fluency. Once you're done with this, you'll be able to have a defined grammar and pronunciation check later on.
Thank you so much. This would be so kind to you. We'll have this session at the end of our discussion. But first, can you tell me about some programs through which I can get specific certification? As you know, in other countries, we need some documentation, too, to get jobs in space in market regions.
Yes, we do, said Daniel. You're right. Let me do some research on it, Faye.
Surely. I'm waiting. I've heard about language exchange meetups. What do you say about this? It could be a great way to meet native speakers and practice in a supportive environment.
Absolutely. Immersion programs can also be helpful. Immersing yourself in an English-speaking environment, such as staying with a host family or attending a language school abroad, can improve your skills.
Volunteering sounds like a meaningful way to practice English and simultaneously give back to the community. I would love to try it.
Online language exchange can also be convenient for you. Platforms exist where you can chat with native English speakers who want to learn your native language.
Someone told me to watch English, American shows. Watching English TV shows and movies with subtitles is something I already do, but I didn't know it could improve my listening skills and vocabulary.
Reading books and articles in English is a simple but effective practice. It helps improve pronunciation, fluency, and speaking.
Participating in English games and activities sounds like fun. It would make learning more fun.
Another convenient option is to use language learning apps. Many available programs include exercises and interactive lessons tailored to different skill levels.
Keeping a language learning journal is an excellent way to track your progress and reflect on your learning experiences.
Joining English language online forums, and communities can also help. You can participate in written communication with other students and native speakers, improve your writing skills, and open yourself up to different language styles.
Thank you. These are great suggestions. I will improve my English.
Well, you're welcome. I've shared some of the primary methods of improving English. Now, let's move on to the conventional ways through which you can get firm access.
Yes, I'd love to practice all those things.
Okay, first of all, dude, you must be in front of the mirror. Speak with yourself and keep an eye contact. This will let you at least speak without affirmation and Lessen your fear of missing basics.
Oh, yes. My roommate told me this method, but I thought it wasn't practical. But from now on, I'll have to try it.
Good. This will work.
Okay. And what about reading the dictionary? Does it help?
Yes. This is also an effective way, Sewer. By reading a dictionary, you get access to many words. You explore a language differently because a word has various meanings and can be used elsewhere. So you get the method of using particular words in certain situations.
Okay. I understand your point. After this, I'll go to the library and get a dictionary.
Perfect. Daniel. So we have discussed the initial steps. Let's explore some unique steps, as I wanted you to proceed with every goodness.
Sounds good. I want to know more.
One effective way to improve your English is to listen to podcasts. Many podcasts are available on various topics to suit different interests and skill levels. You can listen to them during your commute or leisure to improve your listening comprehension and vocabulary.
That's a great idea. I watch podcasts in English on topics that interest me.
Another unusual way is by participating in language challenges or competitions. You can join in spelling competitions, pronunciation competitions, or even online language challenges, where you compete against other students. These activities motivate you to improve yourself and provide opportunities for feedback and growth.
It sounds like a fun and interactive way to learn English. I'm considering participating in some language challenges.
In addition, incorporating music into learning sound can be beneficial. Listening to English songs, analyzing the lyrics, and singing can improve your listening skills, vocabulary, and pronunciation. You can also write your songs or poems in English. As a creative exercise,
I never considered using music as a learning tool, but it makes sense. I will try it and see how it improves my English.
another idea is to immerse yourself in English media and culture. This can include watching English language TV shows and movies without subtitles, reading English language newspapers and magazines, and following English language influencers on social media. Surrounding yourself with English language content exposes you to natural language use and cultural complexities.
That sounds like a good idea. Being surrounded by English movies, TV shows, and books has helped me learn English and understand English-speaking cultures better.
Another thing to think about is joining English study groups or clubs. Meetings can be in person or online. Joining these groups allows you to chat, discuss, and learn with others. This is a great way to practice English, collaborate, and get feedback from other learners.
Joining a study group sounds exciting. I look for opportunities to join and interact with other English learners.
That's great to hear, Bwaishi Daniel. By trying these new ideas in your English learning adventure, you will not only learn the language, but also have more fun and success.
Thank you very much for your help. I can't wait to try these strategies and continue to improve my English with your support.
You are always welcome. The last thing we decided to discuss in the end was daily discussion on any topic. For example, if you are a traveler, you'll tell me about your travels, what happened, and what you encountered.
Oh, wow. I love this idea. I'll decide on my topic daily and collect things. It will save you time too. Thank you again for your precious time.
Daniel, practice regularly, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. I will be there for you every step of the way. 1.
Please subscribe to the channel, friends. If you want to support my YouTube channel, like the videos, you can join the YouTube channel and click on the super thank you button. Thank you for your support. Take care. See you in the next English training video.